story about Ma's Tower? What happened? There's a monster there too?
At Ma's Tower? Does he live on the tower?
He was top on my and Martha stairs.
Even Grandma got scared?
We go stairs.
Was Grandpa scared?
Yeah. Then monster come up there, and Martha then Mama stairs.
What'd they do?
They roared too.
They roared?
They roared and no monster.
How did they roar? What did it sound like?
They say, hello, I'm upstairs.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Did they have to climb up the tower?
Then they say, hello, I'm upstairs.
They're not scared of the monster.
He said, he's not scared.
So where'd the monster
Hello,
go?
I'm not scared.
So where'd the monster go?
He was saying, hello, Ma, I'm not scared.
The monster said that?
Really what?
That was a good story, Kate. Thank you.
story.
Need that story at the big girl stairs?
Yeah, another story?
Sure.
Yeah. What happened this time?
Then the monster ran after his name Mrs. Scott.
To Mr. Scott?
Yeah, hello, Mrs. Scott.
Ooh.
Did Mr. Scott get scared?
No. He was saying, hello, I'm not scared.
No. This is a nice monster, huh?
Did he eat one of Mr. Scott's hamburgers?
Is that the end?
I always worried. Cinderella story?
Yeah, you gonna tell me Cinderella's story now?
I can't.
Why not?
I had to go. I taught
Okay.
me.
Why don't you tell me about Cinderella?
You taught. Because I'm busy talking drive-by.
You're busy talking to everybody? Okay.
You taught. Daddy, why?
And she's gone now.